Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a really quick outfit of the day. I'm about to run out the door to school, so I'll just get started with my outfit and give you guys a basic overview. I don't know if you can see my boots, but I'll give you a closer look up there. But so I'm wearing this cheetah leopard scarf from actually my work, and I've been looking for a cheetah scarf for a while now because I see a lot of celebrities wearing them and I really like the look of them. And so I was looking around for one that was like kind of like the fashion scarf material, but I could never find one. But I actually found one at my work last week, so I ended up getting it and I love it. It's just a little shorter than I would like it to be. If it was longer, I would like to wrap it up and have more of the layered look than just a tie right here, but that's what I did. And then I have this peasant style top with the buttons in the pocket from H&M, and I just feel like it goes with everything. And then I just have a gray tank top from Hollister, but that's hidden. And then I'm just wearing some basic black skinny jeans. And my boots are from Urban Outfitters, and they're just this like at the knee, above the knee kind of style, suede leather boots with a little zipper detailing, and they have a little bit of a heel. But I really like the wooden kind of style. I normally don't, but with the cheetah scarf, I don't know, like the browns kind of go together. And then my school bag is just my school bag that I use all the time, basically. It's from Old Navy. It's a very simple, black, classic looking bag that will go with pretty much any outfit I'm wearing, especially this one. So I really like this bag, and it stores a lot of stuff. It's a big pocket. And then my rings are just from Forever 21, a little owl one and a little bow one. Normally I don't mix like silver with bronzish gold, but I kind of like the look of layered rings. So that is my outfit, and I hope you guys enjoy, rate, subscribe, and comment. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!